Once we open Leonardo AI, we will always be greeted with this homepage. Let's explore it. On the left, you have a list of tools and features. The community feed is the same thing as this recent creation section. Your personal feed will give you an opportunity to look at all of your previous creation and modify them. Training and datasets will give you the opportunity to create your own generator and train it to give the results you want. In the model section, you can see already trained models. I advise you to use them. We will explore the differences between them in the next lessons. Now, let's move on to the tools. AI image generation, as you can probably understand from the name, is the tool we are going to use for image generation. AI Canvas is a really interesting tool. We will have a couple of lessons on it. In short terms, you can upload images and modify them or create new compositions. Overall, it's really fascinating tool. The 3D texture generator is a tool we won't be exploring for one simple reason. It doesn't have a proper application for our needs. However, you can use it if you work with 3D models. In the next series of lessons, we will explore each section and tool of this service in depth.